Hey team, Lincoln here from the Quantum Group. This is the first catch-up that we're going to have on all things that are finance and insurance, and just check back here each week for the latest update on all things that are happening in the finance world. So this morning, what we're going to talk about, the big one that happened last week, the OCR dropped. And for those of you who are wondering what that means, it means that money is getting cheaper for us. So what we've seen steadily over the last few weeks is that banks have actually been dropping their interest rates, which has been fantastic, because over the last couple of years, interest rates have been historically high. And what's that's meant is people that have, through the COVID period, that were on, say, 2.99%, are actually, we're coming off those interest rates and going on to a rate of, say, 7%, 6.99, something like that, which you can do the maths on that. It's mean your mortgage is being very cheap and it's become very expensive. So with the Reserve Bank finally acknowledging that the economy is not doing well and that it needs to add some stimulus back into the economy, it's decided to start dropping the official cash rate. So it's gone from 5.5% to 5.25%, and the expectation from some commentators is that it could dip down as low as 2.75%, maybe even around 3%. So what that means for interest rates is that at the moment you can fix in a 1-year rate for under 7%. That could mean over the next 12, 18 months, you could be getting a 1-year rate for under 5%. So on a mortgage, that means, yeah, things are about to get cheaper. So if you're an existing mortgage holder, great news. Basically means, look, you can just hold on. Rates are going to start dropping. In fact, they're dropping just about every week. We're getting a notice from a bank that they've moved their rates one way or the other, which is, only one way, down, which is good. If you're looking at buying your first home, what that means is there's some confidence there. Everyone's probably been telling you, oh, it's too expensive, it's too hard. You should just wait. Look, honestly, with rates going down in New Zealand, typically cheaper interest rates mean that house prices can start to move up again. Do I think they're going to explode and go forward at 100 miles an hour like they did over the COVID period? No. But there probably will be it'll start to stabilize now, and they probably won't fall any further than what they already have, and they'll probably incrementally start going up a little bit. So have that in the back of your mind if you're thinking about buying your first home and you're ready to go. Now's a good time to start looking at it, because you could literally fix in for a rate of 6 months at the moment of around 6.85%, and you could almost guarantee that in 6 months' time your rates will drop. So you could say, hey, look, this is worst case scenario. I know it's only going to get cheaper from here. And in 6 months, 12 months' time, maybe 18 months' time, when this cycle has sort of flattened out and rates have sort of reached a bottom point, that's when you'd have a conversation with a brokerage like Quantum to say, hey, do I fix in for a longer term? And we can help you with that, making that decision. Okay. So guys, look, in short, OCR is coming down. That is great news. If you're an existing mortgage holder and you're wanting to review things, then please reach out to us. We are here to help you do that. It could be that it's time for you to review your relationship with your current bank. It could be you just want to review what's the best direction interest rate wise that you want to do. If you're a first home buyer and you've been thinking about getting into the market, engage with us. Give us a call. It's what my experts are here for. We've got some great people that would love to sit down with you and have this conversation. They can show you the numbers of what the mortgage will cost you now and what it could cost you in 6 or 12 months' time. Okay. So any questions, guys, reach out. Yeah, we'd love to catch up with you. Talk soon.